Do you want to limit the number of meetings you have per day, per month, or per week? You can do that in Calendly. Although you do have an option to limit the number of meetings per meeting, there is an option to limit the total number of meetings over all the events that you have. For you to do that, you go to availability and then you go to advanced settings. Here you find where it says set a maximum number of total meetings, and then click where it says schedule no more than, let's say, 10 per day. You can say 10 per week or 10 per month. You also have an option to add another limit there. Let me just demonstrate. Say you want only 2 meetings per day, but that week you only want 8 meetings. So this is where you limit the total number of meetings across all the events that you have. By simply doing this, you can be in control of the number of meetings you have on a specific period of time.